Joe Bliss, Casey Jones, 1950 on YouTube. A while back I did a video on these. These are the Walthers nickel plate road GP9's with factory Loksound. And if you have one of Walther's GP9's with factory sounds and it doesn't sound right, here's the reason. Here's the part of the weight that's a speaker enclosure. Notice it's all open on the bottom because it straddles the drive shaft. Whoever the engineer was at Walther's that designed this, in my opinion, is an idiot. You need a fully baffled speaker to get all the frequencies and get the correct sound out of a speaker. So what I did was I chopped that section of the weight out. I took them all apart, chopped that section out, and I used a couple of Railmaster Hobbies 14 by 36 millimeter speakers and taped them up underneath the top of the shell where I cut that portion of the weight out. And I wish I'd done a before and after on the sound of these because it really made a big improvement in them. And if yours don't sound right and you're a craftsman and you're bold enough to try it, then that's what you need to do. Cut that portion of that weight out that holds the 28 millimeter round and put a rectangular or oval speaker up there underneath the shell, and you'll get much better sound out of it. You don't have to use a Railmasters, whatever brand you want to use, it'll fit up in there. But that's what I did to mine, and I'm much happier with them. Anyway, if you like, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye now.